Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys today. I am in a different location because I'm recording this in my kitchen, so hopefully you can see everything clearly. But first off, welcome to my channel. If you guys love watching Dollar Tree hauls and DIYs, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, I think this video is going to be combined with a few other Dollar Tree visits that I made, so you may notice a few different backgrounds, but here we go. Starting off with these scissors, I have gotten a lot of questions and comments about my craft scissors that I use in my Plan With Me videos. So I wanted to show you guys, I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are brand new. They just came in and they had a few different options to choose from. I thought these were really pretty. So super pretty. Wanted to show you guys this style. It's almost like a Hawaiian style, but they had a lot to choose from. So check out your Dollar Tree if you're interested in some fun scissors. All right, another new find is I hauled these, I think a few videos ago. These are little file folders, like the little accordion file folders, and these are brand new for my Dollar Tree. I think they're just brand new overall, but the one that I hauled is bigger than this one. They just came in with these pocket sizes, which are so perfect to fit in your purse. So I grabbed this one for my purse. It is fantastic just to keep coupons or any kind of papers and receipts that you want to hold on to, or really anything at all. And they definitely had different florals to choose from. They had some tulips and wildflowers as well. So love this. And then under or in the Mother's Day section, so when you walk into my Dollar Tree, this is where I found all of these cards. I love the cards that look like they're homemade, like they're pop-ups. Really great quality. I picked up this Mother's Day card and I did not get it for the Mother's Day. I actually got it for the unicorn. So I'm probably going to use the entire front to DIY scrapbook or something like that. I love every part of it, but I just love this pop-up unicorn. So I actually grabbed 2 of these. It was the only unicorn card that they had. But look at how beautiful that is. If you're into unicorns, go and grab yourself one of these. So pretty for scrapbooking, decorating, that kind of stuff. Now you might have seen these up here. I just grabbed some of these file organizers. I use these in my car. I use the smaller version in my car. This is the full size version. And I did get this. I got one actually just to put recipes in for my kitchen so I can throw this into my drawer. And then I got another one in blue. It's just really great to keep paperwork in, maybe for work, or if you have a large purse or tote bag and you need to keep papers that you want protected. They're really great for that. All right, moving along. I just happened to find this in, I think it was like the beauty aisle. It was just hanging. It wasn't with the actual hair supplies. It was just hanging in a random aisle. And I do love head wraps, so I got this for myself. I thought it was super pretty. I love the cream color with the gold speckles in it. It's super soft and the stretchable at the very back, which I love. So I picked up this. It was the only one like it that I saw. And then some kid items. I grabbed some stickers. These are new at my Dollar Tree. They just got them in. If you have kids, always really great. Kids love the stickers, so you get so many options. And look at how pretty these are. Like, these are super pretty. Sorry for the glare, guys. So many. And yes, they are the same, but you get 125. Especially if you have young kids, they just like to take them and stick them all over things. Picked up some coloring books as well. These coloring books are new, but coloring books in general at the Dollar Tree aren't. And what I like about these, it is the large print coloring book. It's fun. And then I grabbed some of these. So I hauled these almost a year ago, and they put 2 more out. So they put out a Finding Dory, and they put out a Minions. These are so fantastic, guys, if you have kids, just to give them something to keep them entertained. If you're traveling on a plane, anything like that. So this is what you get. These are all of the items that you get inside, and it's an activity kit to keep your child entertained. So here you go, 170 stickers, a sticker album for them to put the stickers in, play scenes, and sticker sheets. And then for the Finding Dory, 300 plus stickers, 1 sticker activity pad, 4 play scenes, and 8 sticker sheets. So tons of fun. Back a year ago, I hauled princess ones that they had as well. And I don't remember exactly which ones they had, but I'm just picking these up because for $1. Can't go wrong for $1. All right, and then lastly, guys, this was my purpose for going. It was actually for some storage for my kitchen. I am just not fully reorganizing my kitchen, but I wanted to organize a few items. So I picked up one of these. I've hauled them before. These are recently new. They're not like new right now, but they are recently new this year. They come with a lid, super cute. I already have one of these and I needed another one. Also loving that Dollar Tree is coming out with the wicker baskets, which is fantastic because my Dollar Tree has the wicker baskets, but they're a lot more expensive. I hope down the road they come out with the really big ones like Dollarama has. I love this. The only thing I don't like is that it is really sharp on the corners, but I love these. I have some clear ones that I got from the Container Store, and you pay around, I think it's like $12 or $13. So can't complain for $8. These are really great to put in your cupboard, especially like a very high shelf. And then you just want to pull it down and put it back up. Here, I'll show you guys what I did with mine. So here's my high shelf above my microwave. These are the ones that I had hauled from the Container Store, and they're just so fantastic for reaching up high, and you can pull it down, grab all your spices or all of your whatever, and it's so incredibly convenient. All right, so aside from that guy, and I did get mostly all green because those are a lot of the colors I have in my cupboards already for storage containers. I also grabbed this guy here. I do already have 2 of them. They only had 1 left, but I did need 2 more, so I'll just keep an eye out. But these are the dry erase baskets. I've never tried the dry erase because I currently use chalkboard labels, but I'll show you what I'm going to be using. But I grabbed one of these. And then these are new. These are super cute. So I'm just trying to get it apart. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. But they have little lids like this, and you just close them and you stack them. So how cute is that? And you can just stack them on top of each other. So I got those for my cupboards as well. And then for labeling, I was really looking for the chalkboard sticker labels, and my Dollar Tree was sold out. I did, however, find these by Jot. So these are removable labels. So these are the Jot removable labels. Now here's the thing, I picked up the wrong one. So make sure you check your Dollar Tree and you read your label. So there were a bunch of these stacked in front of these ones, and the ones that were stacked in front looked identical, but they were dry erase. And I didn't want them because they had a red border, so I was looking for different colors, and I found the black border, so I grabbed it, only to realize when I got home that these aren't the dry erase ones, but they look identical. So if you're looking for an alternative option to the chalkboard, they do have these labels, just like this, that are dry erase, so that you can erase the label and rewrite whatever you want. And I thought that was really cool. It's new at my Dollar Tree, but just make sure you read your label so you don't make a mistake like this. I will still use these, however, because they are removable labels, so I'll use them for now. I'll show you guys what I currently use. So I currently use little tags like this, which are great, but they sometimes, you know, smudge, and they do sometimes just turn and move. And this one's good, it doesn't move, but a lot of the baskets that I have, they do tend to move and stuff like that, which is why I was looking for the sticker. And here are some new items that I found at my Dollar Tree, starting off with this wall decal, super pretty. I've talked about these decals so many times in my videos and how much I love them. So here's what the design looks like. And here is the decal. Super fun. And on the other side, you have the pony, some stars. yeah, so that's a lot of fun. And then the main reason for my visit was to look for more washi, because I've seen some people haul these new washies, and my Dollar Tree finally got them. So I love this Dream Big. I am a little bit obsessed with unicorns. You may have guessed if you watch my hauls. So I love, love, love this very much. So I picked up 2 of these. That's what the design looks like. So the washi is just like that. And this love I thought was super pretty as well. And I thought this was a lot of fun too for summertime. And then these 2 stickers I thought were really cute for scrapbooking. So I'm doing a baby scrapbook at the moment, and I just thought this was so cute. This is the type of quality I would expect from Michaels. So I thought that was super cute, and they are pop-ups. So there's this one and this one here. How adorable is that? There's a lot more stickers as well that they've recently gotten. Sorry, that's my daughter in the background. There's a lot of new stickers that they've recently brought in, so definitely check out your Dollar Tree for those. All right, so just a really quick insert to this dollar haul. I just showed you guys the #1 dollar decoration. I just showed you these guys here, but I wanted to show you a quick review because they don't work as good as the other ones. So here's one that I've purchased from the Dollar Tree before, and it's by this brand here, Main Street Wall Creation. I have another one, and it is amazing. This has been up on the wall now for at least a month, maybe 2 months, and it hasn't peeled off once. Now here's the new one that I just bought, which is a different brand altogether, and I just put this above my daughter's change table so she has something to look at. And as you can see, it is already starting to lift and peel, so you can see like right there. This one already completely lifted, and I accidentally ripped it, but it just keeps lifting. The stars keep lifting off. So definitely not the same quality as the Main Street Wall. So the Main Street Wall is the one that's the really, really good quality. This new brand that just showed up at Dollar Tree, I would not recommend it at all. All right, let's continue with the haul. All right, guys, so just continuing along with this Dollar Tree haul. This is a completely second visit that I made. I just combined them together in this one video so that I had more items to show you. So starting off here, I thought this was really cool. I don't know what it is. I need to open it. I think it's just like cardstock. It says that it's 30 sheets, and it says that it's artist neon paper. So I think this is what it is right here, just plain sheets, which I thought would be really, really great for all of my Plan With Me videos that I make. So I picked up 1 package of these. I also picked up these really cute stickers. For those of you that follow my Plan With Me series on Sundays, you know that I like to print off a lot of my own images to save money on buying stickers all the time, but I do sometimes like to incorporate some stickers. So I found these really cute Forever in Time gel laser stickers. And it's castles with the frog. I'm assuming that it's has something to do with like the frog and the princess, which I'm not really, I don't know a lot about that fairy tale, but I thought it would be really cute to do a Plan With Me based on this, except I don't see the princess. So I'm going to have to do some research and print out some of my own. What I also really love about Dollar Tree is how many different activity items they have for kids and adults. So here's a kid activity book. This is a spelling book. Dollarama, if you do live in Canada, has these as well for $1.25, but I highly, highly recommend check out your Dollar Tree or your Dollarama if you have one, if you're looking for any kind of learning activity books for children. So for example, Dollarama does have pre-kindergarten books going right up to I think like grade 3, grade 4. I found these at Dollar Tree. I thought this was really cute. My daughter is too young for this, but I thought it was really cute for when she is able to use this. So it's a learn to spell over 40 familiar words, easy to follow format, and it's all princess. So I thought that was just really, really cute. Yeah, and these go quite expensive. If you go to a place like Walmart, I think Walmart has them for almost $10, if not more, for activity books. And then I also got an activity book for myself. So I got another adult one. I've hauled these before. I really like these Mellow Time activity books for adults. It just has a bunch of activities. I'll show you the back here, that are specifically designed for adults. So I really, really love these. All right, continuing along, if you have seen my other hauls, you would have known I talk about Dollar Tree nails. I love them. I think that they're really great quality as long as you use a really good quality glue, which I get from the drugstore or Walmart. I don't use the one that comes with Dollarama, or sorry, with the Dollar Tree nails. So I have no idea the quality of that glue. But I love their styles. Look at how adorable these are, and they last just as long as, I love this one. This is my favorite. And in my experience, they've lasted just as long as any stick-ons I've gotten from drugstores or Walmart. So I picked up some more. This is my favorite brand from the Dollar Tree. This is the one that I find lasts the absolute longest. All right, and then some just like items that don't really fit into a category. Starting off with this dish soap. I needed new dish soap. I do purchase mine on Amazon through Subscribe and Save because you can get a really great deal. But in general, you can get about 450 milliliters for about $2.50, if not a little bit less. And I use Dawn. That being said, Sunlight is a really great brand as well. And for $1.25, which is the cost at my Dollar Tree, I thought this was a really great deal. So technically I could get 800 milliliters if I got 2 bottles for the price of 1 Dawn. And I love that it comes with this little nozzle. So you can actually sit this out on your counter and just use it that way. So I really like that option to have. I also picked up one of these hooks. These are broom hooks, so you just attach them to your wall and they easily hold on to your broom or any cleaning product that is the size of like a broom. I got these to try to use for my lighting equipment for my YouTube. I don't know if it'll work, but that was the purpose that I got them. And then I really like these facial scrubbers, guys. So these are exfoliated facial scrubbers, and I like that it comes with the green and the pink. Anyways, the purpose that I got these for is not actually for facial scrub, even though it'd probably work really well. It's really soft material, but I got it to actually clean my makeup brushes because a makeup brush pad that you would use to clean usually go for around 10 bucks, if not more. So I thought these would be really cute to use to clean my makeup brushes. Now the last item is an item that well actually no, I forgot to mention this item. I did pick up this Betty Crocker spatula. I do like that it comes with the spatula on both ends, 2 different sizes. Alright guys, my last item is an item that tons of people have already hauled, and it's these really cute jewelry containers. So my Dollar Tree has finally got them. They just got them in this week. They're super adorable. If you watch a lot of haul videos, you've probably seen people already haul these. This is the pink and the kind of like turquoisey. They also have blue and purple as well. If you haven't seen them, I just wanted to quickly open them there for you. They are made of a really good, I think like a ceramic. They are quite heavy and really great quality. And that's how they open up, so you can put little items inside. Would make really, really great jewelry containers for yourself or for a child, or it is Mother's Day coming up, so Mother's Day would also be a really great option as well.